guys, welcome back to my channel. So my nail broke and I wanted to show you guys how I fixed it. This is my first time doing it this way, so it turned out okay. But right now I'm just gonna file off the gel and kind of straighten out the line of the crack and just keep filing and filing until it's smooth. Okay, so right now I'm going to be using my Lush Nailz Bad Habit pink acrylic powder, and I'm using a nail form. I got these nail forms from Amazon years ago, you guys. I'm talking like when I was like 13. So just Google nail forms on Amazon and you'll find them. So I'm going to use this nail form today. This is my first time ever doing sculpted nails using a nail form, but I'm like, let me just try it out, because when my nail broke, I did not feel like soaking it off and then redoing a whole nail, so I'm like, might as well try to extend the nail that I already have. So right now I'm just forming the nail form, just kind of rolling it back in between my index finger and my thumb to get it to have a shape. Then I'm gonna put it on my nail and stick it on there. But I only use these because I already had them, but I don't recommend them because they kept like a low-key was popping off when I was doing it. It doesn't show in the video, but it wasn't super firm. Okay, so now I'm just going to prime and prep my nails using Lush Nailz products. They will be in the description box as always, so be sure to check there. And now I'm going to start applying the acrylic. So I'm not going to try to talk too much during this part because I'm just going to let y'all watch. But what I am going to say is that for my first time using a nail form, I did like it because I struggle with like shaping, trying to make sure everything's like straight. And I feel like this really like made it easier. But it's kind of more work if you think about it. Okay, so at this point, while I'm watching the video, I'm saying here like, girl, you really could have stopped now, because in the end of the video, you're gonna see my nail ended up extremely thick. But I mean, I just wanted to make sure it wasn't too thin. Like, this is my first time ever using a nail form, so it's like I would just try to make sure it wasn't too thin, but I end up making it way too thick. So please do not make that mistake. I mean, of course I learned from it, you know, but yeah, in the end, you're just gonna see I end up filing it like crazy because it was thick. But yeah, I probably should have stopped right here. But as I was doing my nails, one thing I loved about the nail forms was that, like, say if I made it too thin on the sides, like the shape of it, you see I'm easily building onto the nail. Like, it's that simple, but when using regular tips, it's not that simple, you know? So, I don't know, I may have to practice my nail form some more because, honey, this was like, I mean, it kind of was more work, but then at the end, I didn't have to do as much work, if that makes sense. So this is how it looks now, super thick, like thicker than a snicker head ass. Like, anyway, so now I just tap my brush onto the nail and to see if the nail was dry, and it was. You do not want to remove the nail form until the nail is fully dry. And now your girl gotta go ham with the nail file because, honey, that look crazy. So I'm using my 100 grit nail file from Nail Couture, and I'm also gonna use my 180 grit nail file to like sand down this nail. Y'all, so now I'm done going crazy, and this is how the nail looks. It's so freaking bomb, you guys. It looks better than the other ones because the shape is on point, but this is how it looked. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.